Poshmark sales daily.
I know I do.
Who doesn't? My name is Karen.
I'm Jay.
We're with the Thrifty Flamingo. We talk a lot about Poshmark and reselling. So if you're interested in this content, we would really appreciate if you subscribe to our channel.
And if you've been following our videos lately, you know what we're doing. We're currently producing a course on how to take your Poshmark game to the next level. Be sure to click on the first link in the description, enter your email into our email list, and we're going to send out emails once we're ready to go. Also, we're going to be picking one winner each week, and that winner is going to receive the course for free. We're going to be picking those winners right from that email list. So make sure you get on that list, and we'll...
right below.
Right below.
So we are going to be answering one of your questions today. We were asked by Carla_Rose51. That's her Poshmark closet. Go follow her closet. Show
Check
us
it out.
Posh love. She said, my biggest thing is not getting sales daily. How do I get there? I post 3 to 5 items daily, and I'm getting better at pictures, I hope. So what am I doing wrong?
That's a great question. So let's jump right into that. How can you increase your sales to the point where you're getting sales daily and consistently?
Steady daily sales.
Steady daily sales. There's a couple of things that you want to do to make that happen. So first things first, make sure you're following enough people with your Poshmark closet.
And it's not just anybody. You should get a wide variety of following ambassadors and new Poshmark users. People that just joined the app. Who knows why they joined the app? Maybe they saw an ad, maybe they want to sell, maybe they want to buy. You don't know why these people just joined the app, and if you're one of the first people to say, hey, welcome to Poshmark, what's up? I'm so-and-so. You know, you're gonna be the first items that they look at and possibly buy. People really underestimate the power of the brand new Posher. A lot of people get scared of new Poshmark users. They're like, they don't have any longevity in the app. You know, these people, I don't know what they're about. They have no sales record. Like, they get scared of them. No. Everybody has to start somewhere.
I can tell you the majority of my sales right now are coming from new Poshmark users.
Yep.
New users are jumping on that app, and their first instinct when they get on that app is, I'm going to buy something. I'm going to learn how Poshmark works. I'm going to take a look at what's for sale, and I'm going to find something I like, and I'm going to buy it. So those new users are generating a ton of sales for me. So following new users is key. They're gonna be the majority of your buyers, especially when you're new and you don't have too many followers of your own.
Now, even if you have been following people, maybe it's seeming like a chore and you're like, follow. I'm still not seeing daily sales. I made a video on the 30-minute method. This is an incredible method to give you enough activity within the app where you should start seeing daily sales with only 30 minutes worth of activity put into it. I'm going to link that above. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, definitely give that video a quick watch. It gives enough activity where you're following people, you're sharing your own items, you're sharing other people's items, and giving Posh love back all within 30 minutes. So it's just getting your items in front of the right eyes, and then you will start getting sales daily.
So you've been doing that. You got the followers, you're following enough people. What to do next to make sure you increase those sales? It all comes down to sharing. You want to be sharing as much as possible. Sharing your items is going to increase the people who follow you, so you're going to get more followers out of that, and they're going to follow you back, and they're also going to share your items back to their followers. So
snowball effect.
It's the snowball effect. So the more you share, the more other people are going to share your stuff, and you're going to get that huge audience that you want from your item, and they're going to see it and they're going to buy it.
Now, you could be listing the proper 3 to 5 items a day, and when you list a new item, it automatically shares. But if that's all you're doing, and maybe you're sharing once to a party, that's not enough self-share activity. You need to be your #1 fan. I mean, you are your #1 fan. You need to say, these are my clothes that I'm selling. I love this. I took pride in what I do. I took pride in my pictures and my descriptions. Everybody see them. Everybody love them. So you need to be your biggest fan and share. Now, if you're noticing that your ratio is a little off, maybe you're following so many people, but you're not getting followed back. Maybe you're at like, I don't know, 50,000 followers. You're following 50,000 people, but you only have 10,000 following you. That's kind of a little uneven. Why do you think that could be?
You're not sharing enough.
You're not sharing whose stuff?
You're not sharing other people's stuff enough. You got to be sharing other people's stuff at least. You want to try and attend at least one main party a day. You don't have to do all the parties, but one, and focus on the nighttime party because that's where the most eyes are.
The most activity.
So
at the nighttime party.
That 7 to 10 o'clock party, depending on what side of the coast, what side of the country you're on, is going to be the key party, and that's the party that most everyone can attend. I know that you guys have your full-time jobs and your kids and soccer practice and whatever. And it's not going to be easy for you guys to get to every single party. But that main party is going to get you the most exposure.
So when you have somebody sharing your item, say you're active during the party and you're sharing your own items, you're sharing random stuff from the party, and you noticed in your activity feed that this person just shared 3 of my items, but they're not following you, and maybe you're not following them. Go back into their closet the moment you see that they shared a few of your items. Share twice as many as theirs. If they share 3 of yours, share 6, 7, 8 of theirs, and then automatically follow them afterwards. They're gonna say, wow, this person's showing me some love. They're a worthy follow because they're helping my closet get exposure. I'm gonna follow their closet. This doesn't work 100% of the time.
No, it's gonna work about 70 to 80% of the time though. It's got a good success rate. That's how I built my followers up so quickly. I did a lot of networking and I did a lot of sharing of other people's items, and I shared back, just like she's talking about. That's all key. Now, with my closet right now, I'm following about 10,000 people, and I have 21,000 followers. So it works. I've been sharing a lot, and I follow back when I can. But the key is that I get into those parties, and I share other people's stuff, and I share from their closets if they share from my closet, and then they follow you.
Now, if you're still struggling a little bit, this has all been helping, this has all been boosting, but it's still not so steady. Now you have to look a little bit internally. I know part of the question was, you know, I do the 3 to 5 items daily, I post them, and I'm getting better at my pictures. That's great. We are always getting better at what we're doing. We should be trying to get better at what we're doing. But now you have to look at what you're selling. If you are selling a bunch of the same brand, now you have to start looking at possibly target following and not just broad spectrum following, new users or ambassadors. If you have a lot of J. Crew in your closet, go search J. Crew and the sizes that you have in your closet. You know, maybe you have a bunch of size 6 to 10 J. Crew. Go look up J. Crew, those sizes, filter the sizes, and then you're going to follow people that have liked very similar items to what you have in your closet, especially J. Crew dresses. Look up J. Crew dresses, and if you find a dress that has 12 likes on it, follow every single person that has liked that dress. Why? Why would they like a dress? Because it's their size.
It's their size and they like the dress. So if you have something similar to that, it's going to be in their size. Then they're going to look at your closet once you follow them, and they're going to say, hey, this person's got some great stuff. Look, they got a bunch of my size clothes. Maybe I'll buy something.
You guys all know by now, I love my denim. I love jeans. But once in a while, I get a kooky size. Once I got like a size 23, which is a really whoop, and I really had a target follow. It sat for a little longer, but the more I target followed, they ended up selling. You know, if I get something that's outside of my normal size range that my closet offers, or it's not the usual, I will target follow. And I do see those items flip over very well. So maybe you have to start looking at target following as well.
And these both these methods can be done throughout the main party. So when you're going through the party showroom and you find something that's similar to a listing you have in your closet, share that item, and then go in there and follow everybody who's liked that item. And you can kill 2 birds with 1 stone and get a lot of networking done in that 2-hour party.
You could share from that closet, share, follow that closet, and then go back into the original listing and follow every single person that has liked that item. So if you get a little bit more specific with who you're actually following, the proper people are going to be coming to your closet and seeing your items. This is how I've built my Poshmark closet up. This is how I've been able to have sustainable income and make sales daily and not have to worry about where are my sales. Sure, there's slow days. But
of course, you're always going to have slow days. That's just the nature of the beast.
Even on slow days, I get sales, you know. So target follow, definitely look into the 30-minute method. Carla_Rose51, I'm very happy that you are getting better at your photos and striving to get better at it. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep listing 3 to 5 items. Keep working on your photos. And add what we've just been talking about. You should see a ton more activity coming into your closet.
Get those community shares up.
Definitely. So I really hope this has answered your question. Hey, maybe it's answered a bunch of your questions. Maybe Carla Rose is the only one that asked us this question, you know? So we all want sales. We all want daily sales. We all want that money coming on in. If this has answered your question, definitely give this video a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it. And if you like what you've heard, also consider subscribing to our channel. And
don't forget to click on that first link in the description and get on that email list. We're going to be picking our first winner this week, and we're going to be picking a winner every week until the course launches. So you don't have one shot. You have multiple shots to win this course. So get on that list, and we'll see you out there.
All right, take care, everyone.
Have a great one.